Hi all, nice to see you. Today we're going to talk about Lottiefiles, the animation for your web, okay? So I'm not talking about video, I'm not talking about something that needs special care, like 3D, but I'm talking about the best experience for lightweight web browsing with amazing animation. Doesn't that sound cool to you? Well, you can discover it from here, Lottiefiles. This is just where they share free Lottiefiles and maybe pro Lottiefiles. And how I found this? Well, I was quite lucky. I have Lord icons. I've searched for Lord icons and then I stumbled upon these here. And when I found out, it's only later that I found out that, oh, so these are Lottiefiles. How do they work? How do they? And then my mind was blown. We can have these kind of animations just like that with no extra care about SVG animation? And the answer is yes. And more than that though, you can export Lottiefiles from Adobe After Effects. Yes, that's right. Yes. Thank you so much for the help that you are going to provide after hearing this Lottiephile thing. Okay? So, how does it work? Well, I have found this website here. They have a lot of free and ready to use animations under this license, hereby granted free of charge to any person obtaining a copy. Jesus Christ. Thank you, Lord. Use of file without attribution is permitted under this license, though attribution is strongly encouraged. So yes, I have made a demo here. You see this? I have to reload actually right now. I have to fix a parameter or I don't know. So now I could add this animation there. Oh, so I have to put it on repeat, and let's do that together. Before I had this, and you can see that this is kind of heavy, really heavy on the graphic side. I know that there's a way to optimize this, but I don't know. Should I keep this? But yeah, I was just looking for a lightweight and performance boosting alternative, and I may have to change the colors. And by the way, thank you to Alexander Roskopf for this Lottiephile. This is really helpful, and well, they say that we can change the color here. So why don't we go ahead and check if we can customize this. Okay, so this is what we have, and these are the colors. Pretty cool. Yes. So if I change this to, let's say, this color, what's happening? Update. Okay, so I would like to invite you to go out and try this out and see if something works for you. But I found out that they added this feature just a little while ago. No, not a little while ago. Maybe it was yesterday or the day before yesterday that I got that email. But yeah, we can customize it from here. I won't waste our time here for today. How do we import this? Well, they have thought about that, and there are some libraries to do that. Airbnb have one, Lottiefiles have one, but Lottiefiles player GitHub. Here we go. So we have this. Lottiefiles for React here. because this is a React application, Next.js application. And what we have here is we need to install the player, and voila, we need this loop. Oh, so that's what I missed there. Okay, autoplay, loop, voila, there we go. I have my Lottiefiles working, everything is good, awesome, wonderful. So, well, what did we do here? We've just installed the Lottie player, and then we've added player here. This hover is no more required. Autoplay just plays it automatically and then loop over it. This is the file. Oh, we didn't see this yet. Okay, so when you are here, you can just download the Lottie file. Okay, then you have the JSON file, which records all the animations for you for free. And let's have 3 seconds to give thanks to the community. Awesome. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.